Get it down!
I made something else. And there's my cousin Nathan.
Let me try.
No, don't let him try. Don't let him freaking try.
Let me try!
What the fuck? Said wait.
Let me try!
Oh, nah, bro said fuck you, bitch. Nah, bro. How many balls was stuck? I remember my lessons back
Oh, that's bullshit.
last episode.
That's bullshit.
Yeah, the bullshit. There's so much boredom.
How many months?
the ball!
Let me try.
Whoa!
Whoa, 2,
What did I three,
3. Bro died in 2024.
Boss corny in 2024. Stop fucking
I need iron. I need diamond.
Then get diamond level.
Why is Bro dying?
Why is Bo yapping? Really?
You don't have a big one.
Oh.
Let's go mine.
Don't move my stuff, Black Monkey.
I am not kidding. You know what day tomorrow is? I'm gonna send you the video on Friday.
Okay.
It's kinda bad.
Okay.
Which is the black guy dancing with a gun.
Okay. I don't really give a fuck.
That's not that's wow. There's a monster under that!
I'm a black monkey, bro.
Hey, he broke the door.
What? But why is he breaking doors?
There's a monster there.
Nah, hold on. Let me save y'all. Nah, I'm a chill guy.
What the fuck?
I'm a chill guy who low-key doesn't give a fuck. Bro, who let this monkey in?
Let it go.
Is this a cave dweller?
Yeah. Night dweller ata.
What was that? Black monkey!
I'm survived.
Oh, frick. No! Frick
Oh,
you,
no,
bro! Black monkey!
Go night time. Oh no, I gotta run. I'm
So cool,
I win. There's the monster behind you. Give me my pickaxe back. What? So it doesn't drop?
No, you're no nude, bro. You're so cool.
But I have pickaxe. Wooden pickaxe.
Okay.
Hey!
Oh my! Fuck you!
Thanks for that, Blitz. I kinda need
Shit!
mine in the new.
Holy shit, bro!
What? Dude!
Oh, I did it.
Hey!
Black arrow! Oh, this guy, bro! Yo, you black monkey! You killed that snake! Kill them!
Oh hell no!
Oh, well, no, I'm not
my
letting
God.
you in no more.
You're cooked.
No, I'm not cooked, bro.
What? Are they attackable?
What?
Are they attackable?
Yes.
Oh no!
Whoa, what the fuck, boy? I didn't do anything to you. You're a defense person!
You just hit me!
Yo, what the fuck are you doing? Bro, snap out!
Why you guys say Brock?
I'm hitting you because you're dumb as fuck, bro.
Ooh.
I am faster than this.
Behind you.
Oh no! I'm gonna get. Ah!
You're suffering for his life.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Okay. Ah! 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 Don't talk to me! Don't fucking talk to me!
Ow!
Bo, keep running.
Bro, mine.
Wait, I'll go. Ah, no!
I got you, bro.
I see diamond.
Give me some.
There's no diamonds there, bro.
Give me some. He has no pick. Even I.
And I'm dead. And I'm dead. Dead, dead, dead,
Behind you.
Wow, where am I running?
Shallow.
It's a black snake.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, the third. The third.
Magpul pa tayong ilaw! Bro, this nigga's breaking my torches.
So that's your inventory.
Yeah, give me my car.
Here, go.
Whoa, what the fuck are you doing? Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Oh, now you're go.
Fucking shit! Bro, get the fuck on my server, bro!
What?
Ayaw ganda.
That's the scene.
Ay, sayang.
Nasa pinakababa na yun, syempre.
Bro, did you break my torches down there?
This right there.
Who break the torches? Not me.
Not me. Huh?
Yo, I can save you because I have a fishing rod, bro. Is he down there?
Oh, this is your fishing rod.
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Nah, he breaks
Why you look
torches.
sweaty? He's in there. See, you can hear him out at E.
No, it's not here. It's not here.
I saved him. Pull
Out
me
at
up.
E.
Get out.
Out at E.
I'm leaving you there.
Oh, now you're cool.
Oh, now you're cooking.
Oh, now you're cool.
I'm getting out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just a freaking chill guy, bro. Me. Yeah.
Toman, Eliza, and Santino, and Azaga.
I don't freaking give a fuck, bro.
Join, and...
Yeah, they're happy kids.
What the f-
Except for Mama.
Bro, it's a peace sign! Bro, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here! Oh shit! Let me get the torches. This monkey's gonna get me. This monkey's gonna get me, bro. This fucking nigga's gonna kill fucking me. No! Oh no! He's here! He's fucking here! He has a crafting table! Ah, fuck! He's coming fucking down! He's fucking coming down!
What the?
Oh, is that you? Is that you? Is that you?
Sabi ko, ipapay kami ang cellphone. Nagtinti ka na pa.
Wag na! Fucking shit, bro! Mama! Abby! Mama! Get the fuck out! Get out! Oh, get out! Get out!
Let's see now.
Get out, bro! Yes, let's go! Bro, this is I'm never playing on my
Behind you! There's a monster.
Oh, I got